So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to post a listing for rent here on Zumper. So for example, if you have a condo and you want to list it for rent, I'll show you how to do that. So once you're on Zumper, I want you to go to the top right to where it says post a listing and press on that. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and choose an individual landlord, a broker or an agent, or an institutional landlord or PMC. So for example, if you just have one apartment, you'll go ahead and press on individual landlord or manager and press on get started. Now once you're here, I want you to go ahead and press on get started this way and then follow the steps this way. So this will be posting your listing, this will be collecting applicants for your listing, and then screening tenants, and this tool right here will help you in regards to posting a listing for rent. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to post a listing for rent here on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.